Next, 2 by 1 demultiplexer. So it is reverse of 1 by 2 by 1 multiplex. 1 by 2 demux is reverse of 2 by 1 mux. See how it is available. So this is the symbol. So 1 by 2. So we have two outputs, D0, D1, and only one input, always one input, that is IN. And for selection line, S0, only one selection line because 2 power 1. So how to write truth table? We have S0, okay? Outputs are 2 here now. So D0, D1, we have two outputs. Now S0. If S0 is equal to 0, then input is connected to D0. So IN. D1 is 0. If S0 is equal to 1, then input is connected to D1. This is IN. So expression of D0 now. IN. D1 also IN. So this IN is occurs when S0 is 0, right? S0 is 0 means S0 bar. So D1. For D1 IN occurs when S0 is equal to 1. So we write as X0. So the circuit is D0, D1. Okay. IN is common. IN. IN is common. Right? Next S0, S0 bar. S0 bar. So S0 bar S0. So this is S0. This is 1 by 2 demultiplexer. Okay. This is the truth table. Another way of representation of truth table is C. S0 IN. Now D0 D1. Right? So inputs are 2, outputs are 2. How many combinations we get input? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When S0 is 0, when S0 is 0, D1 will be 0, right? D0, D0 will be IN. Whatever IN is available right here. IN is 0, IN is 1. Next, for S0 is equal to 1, what happens? D0 will be 0. D1 will be IN. Whatever IN is available right here. 0, 1. Right? So D0 is equal to what? Sigma 1. D1 is sigma 3. So right expression S0 bar IN. This is S0 IN. Same expressions we get, right? So this is one type of truth table. This is another type of truth table. Okay. Next, 4 by 1. 1 by 4. Next, 1 by 4 demux. Next, 1 by 4 demux. It is reverse of 4 by 1 mux. Okay. 4 outputs, 1, 2, 3, 4. One input, IN, always one input. And two selection lines, S0, S1. So D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay. So I'm writing here S1, S0, D0, D1, D2, D3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 0 means D0 will be get input. 0, 0 means 0. So IN is connected to D0. Remaining all are zeros. Next 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1. So IN is connected to D1. So D1. Remaining all are zeros. Next I3. D2. Next 1, 0. 1, 0 means 2. Input is connected to D2. So for D2, IN. Remaining all are zeros. Next 1, 1. Input is connected to D3. 1, 1. Input is connected to D3. Remaining all are zeros. Okay. And expressions are, we get D0, D1, D2, D3. So D0, IN, S0, 0, S1 is 0. So S1 bar, S0 bar. D1, S0 bar, sorry, S1 bar, S0. Again D2, IN for 1, 0. So S1, S0 bar. D3, IN, S1, S0. Okay, this is one type of truth table. Now I am taking IN also input. So three inputs, S1, S0. Four outputs, D0, D1, D2, D3. So three inputs means how many combinations we get? 0 to 7. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Next 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Next, if 0, 0 means D2 get, D0 get IN, right? IN. IN is 0. Remaining all are always 0. Next, 0, 1. 0, 1 means IN will get here at D1. So that is 0. Here 0, 0. So these all parts are, we get zeros. Next, I1. IN is equal to 1 now. Means D0 will get 1. 0, 1 means D1 will get 1. 1, 0 means D2 will get 1. 1, 1 means D3 will get 1. Remaining all are zeros. Now write numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now write expression. Sigma 4, sigma 5, sigma 6, sigma 7. So sigma 4 means 1, 0, 0 means IN S1 bar S0 bar. So we getting same equation. Next 5 means 1, 0, 1. Right? Means IN S1 bar S0. So same equations we getting. Here and here also we get same equation. Right? You can use this truth table or this truth table for by 1 by 4 multiplexer. And circuit is 3 and 4 AND gates. Okay, IN is common for everyone. Next, S0, S1 bar. So S0 bar, S1 bar. Next, S1 bar, S0, S1, S0 bar. Okay, like this. D0, D1, D2, D3. You can draw circuit like this. Similarly, 1 by 8. We have 8 outputs, right? 8 outputs, 1 input, 3 selection line. The process is same. Okay.